Hello Prime Coding family, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. So TCS broke the record. Yes, they never ever ask graph questions in their coding examination or in the coding sections. Now they broke the record, which they are keep on asking very easy questions or fundamental questions in their TCS and QT coding section. Now they started asking graph, DP. If you have saw the shift to solution, there also a hard level DP question was asked, isn't it? So can we say that TCS is slowly become Infosys? So it is very soon that TCS will also start 70 hour of working, isn't it? So now you are in danger, because if you are targeting prime role, you need to study DSA. For the worst case, I always say prepare for worst case, prepare for first case. Now your worst case is coming up. Yes, you can expect non-linear data structures as well, but in non-linear, graph, DP are the one which I am talking about. Okay, so now let's talk about the in detail shift analysis. Yes, shift analysis, which we spoke with candidates who appear in shift 2, and we got the intuition from multiple candidate that how was their exam and which topic you need to prepare. Why I am creating this in-depth analysis? Because you can see the topic are repeating. That's why, so that at least you will be studying this topic before going into your interview. Clear? Now most of the big brains say that Aditya 3, 4, 2, 3, if you cumulate all of the number of questions, it is increasing the number of questions which should be there in particular section. But these questions are mixed topics. Okay, questions are coming with mixed topic. Let's say time and speed is there, but percentage topic is also there. Okay, and I got the feedback from the candidate that percentage question was bit lengthy. Okay, so you need to give time. Most of the people skip those percentage question, but most of the people did that as well. The question was of easy to medium level, but yes, you need to have hands-on experience of solving percentage questions. Clear? Now simple interest 3-4 question, you can see simple interest 3-4 question was there. Time on work 1 question was there. So time and work and simple interest question repeated. And yes, I also told you to practice this in the previous shift analysis. If you have not watched, you can just go and watch. The link would be in I button. Okay, compound interest. Now CP question came, which is very easy question, like a simple formula based question. So yes, time, speed, distance, 3 to 4 questions straight. 3 to 4 questions straight came. So please guys, prepare this question for your next NQT exam. What I want to say you is the NQT aptitude is being easier side, and the coding difficulty is increasing like anything. Clear? But I am very fortunate that which top 20 question of coding sheet which I created and the mock test I have created, the question came from this particular thing. Okay, I will tell you what type of question came. But if you see, the people who did mock test, they will be able to relate very easily that profit loss and age based simplification, probability, formula based questions are there, and yes, these are very important. Okay, so now time, speed and distance 3 to 4 questions, profit and loss 1 easy and 2-3 questions moderate to difficult. So now profit and loss question, the difficulty was increased. Very clear. Age based question, same, it is repeated earlier as well. Now one big simplification using BODMAS. Simplification, sometime you have numerator, denominator and more of the formulas. Probability, which is 1 to 2 question you got in probability, which is also simple formula based questions. Now formula based questions, one cylindrical using area, it was in the last shift, also same formula of curved surface area and the volume of cylinder. Okay, so this candidate told about the numerical ability. Now let's discuss about the reasoning ability. I have again repeat myself, it is a shift to analysis and I will be telling you all of the question which is repeated. Okay, so now blood relation, again same question, blood relation came in shift 2, which came in shift 1. Sitting arrangement question 5 to 6 questions, and I can say that the questions, the similar question came from our mock test which we created. If you are not believing it, go and have it with just ₹56 and you will get 2 mock tests, and yes, if you are able to solve it, you will nail it. Why I'm telling you? stay till the end. I will let you know the proofs as well. So people are one circular question. I will say the circular aptitude question is asking, or the repetition of this topic is increased like anything. Okay, coding and decoding of 2-3 questions are there. Paper folding, which is one question. Pictorial pattern, which means you might have a pattern here. It will be saying this one, this one, this one. So these kind of patterns are also there. And dice question, the frequency of dice question was increased. Earlier, there was only one question. Now, in the second shift of 20th of March, it has 2 to 3 questions right away. Okay, so this is the in-depth classification, or I can say in-depth analysis of reasoning ability. Now, verbal ability. So in verbal ability, again, the pattern remains the very same, which is paragraph based question, which is 7 to 8 questions, and it is easy to medium question was there, and the same pattern we have followed in the mock test. Why I'm telling you is because this time is very high time. You should only practice which is respective to your TCS and QT exam. You have created and tallied all of the questions. Okay, it is on you whether you want to. It is on you whether you want, whether you don't want to add, because already also uploaded all of the questions for free as well. Did a lot of aptitude series. You just need to go on the playlist section and find previous year aptitude one shot. I already created previous year aptitude TCS and QT something. I will tag in the I button, or you can check in the description below. Sentence rearrangement 5 to 6 question, as assumption and conclusion 3 to 4 questions, and grammar based questions 4 to 5 questions. And guess what? It is same, or it is like highly same as shift 2 of TCS and QT exam. If you don't believe, go and see the analysis of that particular video. You can find it in the I button. Advanced aptitude question, the same pattern, the same. Nothing has been repeated. All the shift 2 questions were repeated here in the advanced aptitude section, which is one question of quadratic equation, finding the roots and figuring out the value of constants. Then reasoning question, 5 to 6 reasoning question was there based on the today's shift 2 as well as the 15th of March shift 1 and shift 2 analysis questions. You can go and watch that. Okay, so numerical ability with question 8 to 9 question was asked. Mostly easy to medium questions were there. Okay, so yes, this is the advanced aptitude thing. Now you can see what Aditya, you can see this guy sent us all the input format of the questions. Okay, but sadly no one is able to solve the second question fully because it was a graph one. Input was the biggest problem there, but people say that integer, we took the input in integer. Some people say that integer was not working, we took the input in string and blah blah. So I want all of you to help me out here. Okay, please write the executable code which passes at least 4x5 to 5x5 test cases, or whether you are able to solve it or not. Please let me know in the description, or stay tuned to the end as well, because I will be posting the video of aptitude solutions. I would say not aptitude, coding solution for sure. You can see I wrote Anyan mock interview or mock test was helpful or not, because he took the mock interview. Okay, mock interview. There I spoke with him. He said on the 20th of March, on the shift 2, he will be writing the TCS and QT exam, and I asked him to share it. That's why I sent him mock test for free so that he can study, because he was not at all prepared, and we are open to help anyone, because money is just 56 rupees that anyone can afford. Anyone, whether you are from rich category to middle category to the lower category, I don't care. It is very easy and very friendly, pocket friendly thing. Why I'm telling you is, you can see the questions from mock tests are definitely very standard for TCS level and could be easily cleared if one would solve this. Okay, as I picked random question and solved, because of the time constraint, left some questions that I knew if only I had revised it better. You can see the coding from mock tests are from LeetCode. So if you would have solved it in LeetCode, and even if any of the variation would appear, it is easy solved in TCS compiler and has only 7 test cases, that too not that hard. Even the DP problems from the free sheets are surely very standard. I think it would come even repeat again, because they ask the graph question. So there are high chances that in the upcoming shift they can ask DP question for sure. So provided many of the free content available, if you don't want to pay a single penny to anyone, you can just refer the free content which is there on my TopMate account. You can see the pin message in the comment section. I mentioned the link for my profile, or you can go in the description if you want to avail 20% discount on the mock test, because it is costing you 69 rupees if you not apply any discount coupon. If you want to, just check in the description, find me, go to the mock, or I will show you how you need to do in the last. Okay, so this is the feedback from a candidate who wrote the examination, and I want to tell you the prime number question. Okay, here as you can see, this is another one which I show multiple time. You can pause the screen and read it if you want to read this particular thing. Okay, so now as you can see, the programming section has sum of n prime numbers and topological and Dijkstra algorithms, but I want you to share me the codes which work more than 4 test cases in both of the questions. Okay, the executable code which you have written, because people have tons of doubts that the integer format is supported or not, whether the input has been taken into the string, or what is issues that you have found in your examinations, and any recommendation or errors that you encountered, so that your upcoming peers who will gonna write the test and your juniors who will definitely give you well wishes, because your one contribution can change their career pathway. I know this video will be watched by thousands of people, but there would be only 2 people or 1 people who gonna share me this particular thing. But if most of our Prime Coding community member, I know they are helpful, they will be sharing me here about their interview, I would say the TCS NQT coding question experience. So do share me, do share this video to that particular friend who have solved that, so that he or she can help us out to create an in-detail solution. We already created a solution, but we want some validations so that that video will help you out to ace your upcoming interview. Okay, because logic would be very easy if you can study from YouTube, but in TCS and QT, the tragic part is the compiler and the input format. That's why I want to ask you, I want all of your support. It's just an request from me, from Aditya. It is a request that please share your thing. Now I will tell you how you can avail 20% discount on any of the courses that not courses, I never ever sold courses. Okay, so discounts on my packages. Only I have one paid, which is 69 rupees of mock test, how you can avail in just 20% discount. So let me tell you, on your screen you can see topmate.io, which is here to give you referrals. If you want to speak to the employees or working in your dream company, you can ask them how to crack and something. Calls are totally free and few calls are paid, but try to opt for free calls and get some guidance. But here I want to tell you where to come. You just need to come on service-based mock interview. I will be there here. Now it has been loaded and you can see Deloitte NLA packet as well as TCS and 2025 previous year important materials are also uploaded for all of you for your reference. Okay, so you can see all shift solutions are also uploaded here. If you want to see the executable code, you can just refer this particular thing. Otherwise, TCS and QT free materials are also there. You can just test the quality. But I want to tell you about this thing. If you came from the description link, you will easily able to redeem the discount on any of the things. Okay, so you can see 69 rupees to mock interview right away. You just need to click on get access here. In add coupon, just write what and just and apply coupon. Yes, you can see now 13% discount has been given to you. Just in 56 rupees you can avail this particular thing. Okay, so go and get this mock test, because everyone is getting benefited. So why you want to be separate? If you can see here on my profile, you can see more than 63,000 people have claimed all of the packages which I have uploaded. So why are you still sitting if you have not being claim anything from here? All the qualities are available for free. I can cost everything, but I don't want to cost. I don't want to become that people who cost much thing like 1,000 or 2,000, 3,000 rupees. Everything is provided for free and everything would be free for lifetime. Okay, so just redeem it and prepare for your upcoming TCS and QT exam. Don't forget to mail me your experience, your upcoming experience of TCS and QT coding questions with your executable code, so that you can help your peers. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.